Microsoft has confirmed a major issue with the Windows May 11, 2026 update, KB5089549. If your PC is showing installation errors like 0x800f0922, 0x802400069, or 0x802400031, you are not alone. The good news is that Microsoft is already rolling out an emergency fix. In this video, I will explain what is causing the problem, how to check if your PC is affected, and what you should do to install the update successfully. KB5089549 is the mandatory cumulative update for Windows 11 released in May 2026. Since it is a required security update, Windows attempts to install it automatically. For many users, the update installs normally. However, some PCs fail during the installation process. Typically, the update downloads successfully and begins installing. During the restart, the installation reaches around 35 or 36%. Then Windows displays the message, "Something didn't go as planned. Undoing changes." After that, the system rolls back the update and returns to the desktop. In some cases, the computer may restart several times before the rollback is completed. The most common error code reported is 0x800f0922. Microsoft says the main cause is insufficient free space in the EFI System Partition, also known as the ESP. The EFI partition is a small hidden section of your drive that stores critical boot files used to start Windows. On many systems, this partition is only 100 to 260 megabytes in size. Over time, firmware updates, dual boot configurations, or leftover boot files can fill this partition. If the free space drops below approximately 10 megabytes, Windows updates may fail to install. You can check the available EFI partition space using PowerShell. Open PowerShell as administrator and run the following command. Look at the size remaining value. If it shows less than 10 megabytes of free space, the update may fail. The good news is that Microsoft has already deployed a Known Issue Rollback, also called KR. This is a server-side fix that is automatically delivered to affected devices. In most cases, you do not need to manually resize the EFI partition. To receive the fix more quickly, Microsoft recommends restarting your computer and checking for updates again. Open Windows Update and click Check for Updates. If the patch has reached your device, KB5089549 should install normally. Microsoft has also acknowledged two additional issues. First, some users have noticed that taskbar preview animations are missing after the update. Second, the installation may require 2 or 3 restarts. Microsoft says this behavior is expected because secure boot updates are still being rolled out. So if your computer restarts multiple times, there is no need to panic. Overall, Microsoft has confirmed that the Windows 11 KB5089549 installation failures are caused mainly by low EFI partition storage. An emergency fix is already rolling out automatically. If you are experiencing this issue, restart your PC, check for updates again, and the installation should complete successfully. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others facing the same problem. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.